Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to update TikTok app on iPhone. Write if my solution helped you. Did you manage to do so? And if you have any questions, please report below in the comments, and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. And the first thing you need to do is go to the Apple Store on your iPhone or iPad, and in the search box write TikTok. Then open the app, and as you can see, here I have the word update, or maybe it says open. If it says update, then you just need to take it and update it. And it will take about 30 seconds, maybe a minute or two. And your TikTok will be updated to the latest version. If you have here instead of update, it says open. It means that your latest version of TikTok is already updated to the latest version. But by the way, there is another way to solve this, which is to go to the settings on your iPhone or iPad. Open the General tab. iPhone Storage. Here find TikTok and then click Unload the application. We will clear the cache, but the documents and all our data will remain. Thus, we will update to the latest version. Click Unload the application. Then reload, and we will update TikTok to the latest version. As you can see, it's already updated in my Apple Store. I will go to it, and I will have the latest version. If you liked this video, write in the comments whether my solution helped you. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.